The craving crusher technique is a technique I use with my clients to help them reduce unhealthy cravings. And it works like this. You want to think about a food that you're struggling with, and you want to think about how you typically eat that food. Let's say you eat ice cream, and the way you typically eat it is you scoop a couple scoops into a bowl, eat it out of a bowl with a spoon. And so being that specific is very, very important. Now, you can do this technique in one of two ways. You can do it in reality, and it's going to be a lot more powerful, or you can do it in your imagination, and it will still work. Now, what you want to do is that you have your food, how you typically eat it, and now you want to imagine that you're in front of your bathroom mirror and you're standing on a scale. And for bonus points, you can imagine or get naked as well if you want to. And now what you want to do is you want to watch yourself eat this food in front of the mirror. Watch yourself eat it, and occasionally you can look down at the scale if you choose to. And while you imagine this or do it in real life, you're going to notice that the feelings you typically associate to that food have now been replaced with reality. We want to associate the food to the effect that it actually creates. Okay, so this has nothing to do with beating yourself up. It has to do with connecting much more strongly in your subconscious mind what the behavior and what the effect of it are. And once you do this a couple times, or once in reality, you're going to find that the feelings you have for that food have changed dramatically.